AI is taking over the world, and if you're not using it to make money, you're missing out. In 2025, AI will create massive opportunities for anyone willing to take action. In this video, I'll show you 3 proven ways to make money with AI, even if you have no experience. Let's get started. Method 1. AI-powered content creation. The first way to make money with AI is content creation. AI can help you write blogs, create YouTube videos, and even generate viral social media posts, all without showing your face. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write high-quality articles and monetize them through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Websites like Medium or Substack allow you to earn money from AI-written articles. You can also start a faceless YouTube channel using AI video tools like Pictory, Synthesia, or HeyGen. These tools generate videos with AI voices and animations, making it possible to create a full YouTube channel without ever appearing on camera. AI-generated content is growing fast, and people are making thousands per month doing this. Method 2. AI freelancing and automation services. The second way to make money with AI is freelancing and automation services. You don't need to be a designer or writer anymore. AI can do the work for you. For example, you can sell AI-generated logos, blog posts, voiceovers, or translations on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. With AI tools like Looker, Jasper AI, and ElevenLabs, you can deliver high-quality work in minutes. Automation is another goldmine. Businesses pay a lot to automate repetitive tasks using AI tools like Zapier and Make.com. You can charge companies to set up automation for customer service, email marketing, or social media posting. Method 3. AI-driven business and passive income. The third and most scalable way to make money with AI is starting an AI-driven business. AI can help you create passive income streams that generate money while you sleep. One way is selling AI-generated digital products like ebooks, stock images, or online courses. People are making thousands selling AI-generated art on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Fabrica. Another powerful method is AI-powered dropshipping. AI can automate everything from product research to customer service, making it easier than ever to run an online store. If you want a true passive income machine, start an AI-driven business today. So, those are 3 powerful ways to make money with AI in 2025. AI-powered content creation, freelancing and automation, and AI-driven businesses. The potential is huge, but only if you take action. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI money-making tips. See you in the next video.